My name is Jackie, currently at the Conscious Dance Workshop in Newtown. Yeah, it's my first time, so I didn't know what I was getting myself into. I'd always wanted to dance at the club, but I just couldn't. I was like, oh, screw it, I might as well try and learn in a safer space. I think this is definitely like one of those sorts of environments where I could explore that.
A few years ago, I started to go to these events where there's more dancing involved. For me, it was really scary. And actually making a step towards doing this made me feel really good about myself. I liked the vibe. I was really scared to dance with other people, but I also felt really alive. I love the music. Matt had a lot of good energy and it was actually easy to ease into.
It started off very slow and then eventually it grows to becoming more active. I felt really comfortable to explore whether or not I want to get up and see what I can do with the music.
How I see it is that you express yourself, and however you express yourself, it's you're expressing. And that's the most important. It's moving towards something you are interested in and at the same time maybe terrified to do, to show yourself. I would say just go for it and experience whatever it is for you. Just try and be open for an experience.